Alright, how you going, fellas? So it's been quite a long time since I picked up the camera. I've just been busy with work, but I've done a whole bunch to the car to get it ready. I'm actually going this Friday to Winton Raceway to test out the car. But yeah, I'll give you a quick rundown on what I did to the car. So basically I removed the old muffler and I made my own pipe with some, I think it was 3-inch tubing. Welded that up, and next up I relocated the battery to make some space in the front, and I'll show you why. We also installed some BC Racing coilovers. Forgot what model they are. So for the front of the car, I kind of just ordered this DIY lit kit. I added that to the front. Looks really nice. I also got some wheels for it. Put some Nankang AR1 semi-slicks on it. And I don't know if you can see, but I added some DBA slotted rotors to dissipate some heat with some upgraded brake pads. So interior wise, basically I just made my own door card. Pull this back out. I've got to make the other one. This one took a little bit of time. I installed the RPM gauge myself. I removed the passenger seat. And I also added this harness. This is just temporarily until I get a actual proper seat, and it's just bolted back down there. I installed the fire extinguisher over there, and I also added a battery isolator. That's pretty much it for the interior. Here's the fun bits. So obviously we've got the BC Racing coilovers. I also got a white line strut tower brace, and I can't remember if I said I installed the catch can. Probably did, probably not. Obviously this is the wire. Looks a bit dodgy, but it works for the RPM gauge. And I rerouted the pod filter to go into here. This is where the battery was, so I relocated it with a mate all the way to the back, and the pod filter goes into here where the old filter box was, and it comes out and sits right there. It picks up cold air. That's pretty much it, and yeah, that's pretty much what's going on with this thing now. Cheers.